talk about this what people have been saying of late about this thing called body shaming. Today I saw one comment about somebody, very some celebrity photograph, and they were teasing her, calling her a scarecrow, and some very big politician's wife. I mean, who the hell are people to call her that? First, look at yourself. Nini and Aishwarya Rai, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, I don't know whether they also feel like that. They themselves are humble. Who the hell are these people? First, whether they just go around asking people whether you're good looking, whether you're fair, whether you're tall, whether you're short, whether you're I don't know, you look like a scarecrow. I mean, how can even people talk like that? I mean, each of us has been given one look. You develop your look. You figure out how your people look at you. I mean, how can you go around commenting? You tell anybody, you tell them you're beautiful, you're good looking.